What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So yesterday I made a video about Jasmycoin and how the movement that we're seeing is great despite the delisting on certain platforms. And what's even better is now, um, basically 24 hours later, we're seeing some more positivity, some more movement, some more light at the end of the tunnel, even though you still have that delisting that's in the background. Now, I don't know if they'll go through with it, right? There's been times where we've seen delistings that were announced, and then all of a sudden the volume picks up, the movement picks up, and they're like, you know what? Let's go about changing that, right? Let's see if they actually do have that light at the end of the tunnel, especially when you look at all altcoins and cryptocurrency in general is moving quite a bit. So I want to go through the movement that we've seen with Jasmine the fact that people are sleeping on this, exchanges are sleeping on this, and opportunities are going to be made, right? It's whether you take advantage of that opportunity or opportunities are going to be out there. It's whether you take advantage of that opportunity or not. And I hear a lot of people say the same thing. Hey, I would love to buy Jasmine Coin at a lower level. I wish it was back down to 40% of a penny. Well, it still is, right? It was even lower. And you decided not to make that move out of fear. And that's where you make your first big mistake. So, guys, if you could hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. If you want to check out my link for BTCC, please do so. You can get a 10% deposit bonus when you use my link, extra bonuses up to $10,055, and you can enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees. And you can trade up to a 250x leverage, all with no VPN and no KYC that is required. Great platform. I've been using it for 2+ years, and it's been amazing, right? I use it here and there for different leverage trades. If I feel as though something is really, really going to pump, or something is oversold, I'll find a low level and make some money out of that at that low level, or the opposite. I find a high level and make some money on the retracement of that position. So feel free to check it out. They have a demo platform. If you're scared of leverage trading, you can test out the market, test your strategy, see if it works. But know that the strategy will be ever changing. So definitely go ahead and check that out. Link will be at the top of the description. Now, Jasmycoin. Jasmycoin is experiencing some really, really good movement. In the past 24 hours, it's up by 16.53%. It's up to a $216 million market cap again, right? Above the $200 million market cap, which is great. Seeing about $14.76 million worth of volume, up 61%. This is still not even close to the highest level of volume that we've seen with this position. If we see Jasmycoin moving in the way that it's moving now with a $14 or $15 million volume, imagine a $100 million volume. Imagine a $200 million volume. Imagine a $1 billion volume and where that goes from there. You have 243,000 people that have this on watch list. 253,000 followers, 305,000 votes when it comes to community sentiment, 87% bullish, 13% bearish, 101,000 holders within this with 49.44 billion coins in circulation. Right? This is a play that, in my opinion, I'll say it's in my opinion because it's not 100% fact, that will be worth way more than people think. And it's proven that that many people thought it wouldn't even get back up to a penny. It got up to almost 6 cents. And many of those same people said the same thing, right? I wish there's a cat on top of the TV. What are you doing? Why are you on top of the TV? I, I have to stop this. I don't know what he's doing, but he needs to get down. That's crazy, man. Get down. Why are you on the? How are you even on there? It's like flat. So, oh, there's a mount on the back, and he's standing on the mount. That's crazy work. I've never seen that, but wish you could have seen it. Anyways, um, where was I at? Jasmycoin. It's at a really, really good spot, right? So let's go into some news and see what they are doing. Things haven't really changed. There isn't really much to go off of when it comes to changes or new news that's happening, right? But Jasmycoin trades around 35% of a penny. Obviously, this is a little bit older news. Because it's currently at 43, almost 44% of a penny. Cross-chain expansion, Jasmy integrated chain link CCIP technology to allow native token movement between Ethereum and Base, which is always a good thing. Junction layer 2 integration. The Junction decentralized GPU network and layer 2 ecosystem adopted the same cross-chain infrastructure, and network utility, Jasmy Chain continues to utilize Jasmy as a native gas token for data sharing applications, which is always a good thing in the use for Jasmy Coin. And again, things haven't really changed much, right? You have much of the same news, and this is why they get a lot of people that are like, they're not really innovating, they're not really doing anything, because they're expanding on the things that they already have and continuing to grow those things rather than just launch a bunch of new things to uh, basically distract people from either a lack of completing some of those tasks or doing some of those things. Not saying there's any shade on any other chains and uh, platforms and tokens and coins, but you tend to see that, right? Things don't get done, they launch something new to make it seem like they're doing something special. But Jasmycoin is taking their steps to complete and be better at the things that they are currently doing, right? If that makes sense to you. When we look at the Jasmine that I have, I currently have 3 million. Just to let you know, I am up. Today's return is about 1,800. I'm still at an unrealized loss because my cost basis is 56% of a penny, but we will see that grow a heck of a lot more, right? I bought 3 million or have 3 million because I see the potential within it. And I said, if there is a chance that I can get more Jasmine coin below 1 cent at a reasonable level, I for sure will buy more Jasmycoin. And that's exactly what I did because I do believe in this play. Um, Now, I've been reached out to by plenty of people during live streams, during different videos saying, look, um, if I could buy more Jasmycoin, I would. It's currently at 43% of the penny. Even though it's up 16%, it's totally up to you on whether you want to make that move. Yes, you may end up seeing negativity before you see positivity if you bought some or bought more right now. But there's also a chance that you could see a lot of positivity if this is going to complete larger runs for this play for Jasmine Coin. And just to end this video, just to tell you or show you what I'm seeing within it, what we're really looking for. For this is BTCC, by the way. If you guys are interested in signing up for this platform, feel free to check it out for yourself. But Jasmine Coin to USDT, it's jumping out of this descending channel. It's actually bouncing off of this lower support level and breaking through a resistance level. Obviously, you're seeing the overall crypto market flourish. It's not just Jasmine Coin, it's many other things that are in the market and are flourishing quite a bit. When we look at my watch list, you got Jasmine Coin that's basically at the top of that watch list, 15 or 16%, 43% of a penny. So it's moving quite a bit more than the market. But Jasmycoin is breaking out. We want to see it test some of these levels, the 50% of a penny level, so 49 to 50% of a penny, breaking through the 54 to 55 percent of a penny level, and then obviously breaking through some of these points, which is a 63% of a penny to 70, almost 80 percent of a penny before breaking up to that level of 1 cent. Now, we could see this all happen very, very quickly, even though we're zooming in and we're like, this is going to take forever because look how long it took to even get to this point. We could see that breakout happen very, very quickly, right? Crypto moves a lot faster than the stock market. So it's not something where we're like, oh, it's impossible to have that happen. A 10% move in the stock market is like, oh, this is amazing. This is crazy. This is the best move I've ever seen. A 10% move in the crypto market is like, it's running great, but we could see a lot more, right? 50%, 60%, 100%, 200% for a lot of different positions. So, anyways, Jasmycoin is just waking up. It's just getting started. It's not over. And we will have a lot more positivity yet to come. Just understand we're seeing some good positivity. Expect retracements because you're going to see some negativity after you see a decent level of increasing, especially from 35% of a penny to 45% of a penny. That's a large jump, right? So, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Check out my link for BTCC down below. And let me know what you think about Jasmycoin. Did you pick any up before this running happened? Or are you picking some up now? I still don't think it's a bad price. It just, in the short term, might not look the greatest if you were buying right now, right? Because it's up 16%. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.